Do you want to know how you can sign out or log out of your Temu account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Tech Helpline. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can sign out or log out of your Temu account on your PC or your website. Go ahead and open Google on your Chrome or Edge browser and then search for Temu. Now click on the first link which appears on your screen. You must log in for you to log out of your account. So go ahead and hover over your profile, scroll a bit down and you can see sign out. Go ahead and click sign out and then you can see that you have successfully signed out of your Temu account. So all you need to do is hover around your profile, scroll down and click sign out. This way you can sign out of your Temu account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.